Good morning, students. My name is V. Jyoti, lecturer in zoology. I am from Government Degree College, Siddipet. Today topic is genetic code. What is genetic code? Okay, the sequence of nitrogen base or nucleotides in mRNA molecule which contain the information for the synthesis of proteins in molecule is called genetic code. The sequence of three nitrogen base determining a single amino acid is called a triple codon. The genetic code has the following characteristic or triplet, universal, and some initiation codon and termination codon, and some degenerative, non overlapping, and polarity, and verbal hypothesis or examples. Some the pathway of protein synthesis is called translation because the language of nucleotide sequence on mRNA is translated into the language of an amino acid sequence. The process of translation requires a genetic code through which the information containing in nucleic acid sequence is expressed to produce a special sequence of amino acids. Okay, we observe this follow of genetic information. First one is the DNA. DNA is a transcription process after it form the mRNA, and mRNA goes to cytoplasm, and protein synthesis is transcription process is called central dogma. So these codons are triplet codon. Okay, the important. Next, what is genetic code? Genetic code is a dictionary that correspond with the sequence of nucleotides and sequence of amino acid or in dictionary or in form of codons, which codons in triplet nucleotide 64 codons in total and 3 out of 3 are non-sequence codons 61 codons for 20 amino acids. Because 3 codons are termination codons is top codons is 61 codons for 20 amino acids is important for MS bit. Okay, next codon anticodon. Codon a set of 3 adjacent nucleotide also called triplet in DNA or mRNA that designated a specific amino acid to be incorporated into a polypeptide. During protein synthesis, each codon is recognized by a triplet of bases called an anticodon in a specific tRNA molecule. Okay, this clover leaf structure was tRNA. So this part is anticodon site, and this is T-C loop and variable loop and D loop are present. So this acceptor site so is CCA is the acceptor site 3 prime. So next this DNA sequence you observe this triple codon. Triple amino acid is codon. One codon is triplet. Okay, for example, TAC is a T means thymine and adenine, cytosine. G for guanine is purine. Purines are in DNA. Adenine, thymine and cytosine. Pyramids are adenine and guanine. So some same to form the triplet codon is for DNA is template. The same to copy to mRNA in anticodon is for example AUG is the starting codon. Methionine it translated after it A band code with U Adenine, this was uracil absent in DNA, so it present in RNA. So uracil, adenine, uracil, and cytosine is a pyramid in RNA, and guanine, adenine is a purines in mRNA. Pyramids are uracil, cytosine, and RNA. So it anticodon to form the meth is the methionine is the starting codon. So anticodon A is banded with the uracil, U is banded with adenine, guanine is banded, triple bond is hydrogen bond is cytosine, as a hydrogen uracil bonded by double stranded or not double hydrogen bond. So it is important for starting codon. Okay, this codon to form to anticodon is the tRNA in protein synthesis. Next is the genetic code. The letter A, G, T, and C, adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine, and correspond to the nucleotide found in DNA. They are organized into the codons. The collection of codons is called genetic code. For 20 amino acid, there should be 20 codons, which coded should have 3 nucleotides to import specialty to each of the amino acid for a specific codon. For example, here nucleotides 4 combination is nucleotide 16 combination, and nucleotides 64 combination must solved for a 20 amino acid. So this the genetic code. Okay, this DNA strand template after it and mRNA formation, and it will form to protein chain. So codon, how it reckon this map is very important for these purines are adenine, guanine, AG, pyramids are TC. TC means thymine, cytosine. So it we write this, and the form to this ring. So we come it's important for the 64. Okay, 20 amino acid made in 64 codons. So example, triplet nucleotide 64 codon in total 3 out of this non-sense codons 61 codons for 20 amino acids. So we observe this. Okay, for example, GAC and this come to 3 triplet codon is top codon in we observe. Okay, easily. For example, amino acids are leucine, isoleucine, serine, arginine, histidine. For example, in all this type of 64 maybe 60 codons are specific codons, but 3 codons are stop codons or termination codons. So 61 codons for 20 amino acids. Genetic code tab. This was genetic code, first letter and second letter and third letter we observe. First row uracil is the RNA type, uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine we observe. Uracil cytosine is the pyramid, and adenine guanine is the purines. Okay, same uracil cytosine and adenine guanine we observe, and to form it a triplet, we to form for example phenyl, leucine, methane. Methane is the AUG is green part we observe with methane. AUG starting codon, valine, serine, proline. This stop codon also red mark. UAA, UAG is the, and another one UGA is the stop codon. Very important this codon. It not form a amino acid, but it chain is stop. So it termination codons. So next features for the genetic codons is 6. For example, triplet codons and some specificity codons and degeneracy codons and universally codon non-overlapping and punctuated codon. Some for example, the code is a triplet codon. DNA code for a protein is first copied into a messenger RNA or mRNA before a protein is made. mRNA is complementary to DNA. Okay, this complementary means same copy. This triplet codons into transcription process, it made a mRNA, so it is called same copy to made, so it complementary to the DNA. mRNA is complemented and the same copy, Xerox copy, same is called complement called to the DNA is a process of transcription. Okay. Next, the code is specific or non ambiguous means specific codon. Some example, each triplet codon specifies only one amino acid. For example, triple U uracil is called phenylalanine. Important. Triple is a specific. Okay. Triple uran is called phenylalanine in specific or non-ambiguous. Okay. Next, genetic code universal. Okay. What is universal? Because universal in all living organism, genetic code is the same. The exception to universal is found in mitochondrial codon, where AUA code for methionine. Okay, AUA code for methionine and UGA for tryptophan. Okay, very important. AUG code for methionine in mitochondria and UGA for tryptophan is important, UGA. Instead for isoleucine and termination codon respectively for cytoplasmic protein synthesizing machinery like AGA and AGG code for arginine in cytoplasm, but in mitochondrial they are termination codon. Very important. In mitochondrial, termination codon is AGA, AGG, and these are termination codon in arginine, termination codon in mitochondria or stop codon. Very important. The universally of the genetic code is among the strongest evidence that all living things share a common evolutionary heritage. Okay, common evolutionary heritage is important. This is called genetic universally. So important. Mitochondria is different for methionine is starting codon, but here AUA is a methionine in starting codon of mitochondria, and mitochondria another one is AGA and AGG is the termination codon in mitochondria. Okay, next genetic code redundance. For example, Okay, redundant genetic code is redundant, also called degenerate, also called degeneracy, also called degeneracy, or redundant genetic code is although each codon corresponds to a single amino acid, but a single amino acid can be multiple codons except tryptophan and methionine. Each amino acid has multiple, okay, except example tryptophan and methionine, except but all are having multicodons, okay, very very important. So genetic code non overlapping and non punctuated. For example, all codons are independent a set of three bases. There is no overlapping. Codon is read from a fixed starting point as a continuous sequence of bases taken three at a time. The starting point is extremely important, and this is coded reading frame. Okay, frame like three triplet codons, nonsense codons, very very important for MNC entrance bit is a nonsense codon. Okay, nonsense codons. There are three codons out of 64 in genetic code which do not encoded for any amino acid. These are called termination codons or stop codons or nonsense codons. The stop codons are nonsense codons, to say stop codons. Stop codons, for example, are nonsense codons. So example termination codon UAA, UAG and UGA is a termination codon encoded no amino acid. The ribosomes punches for and of the mRNA is, for example, this nonsense codon is stop codons in red mark take is UAA and UAG and UGA is nonsense codons or stop codons, and it was a chain is termination codon to say. Okay, next thank you, but we go to another topic. It's a very important lock operon concept. Okay, go next. This lock operon concept is very very important. Okay, first we go to introduction. Gene in molecular term, gene commonly defined as the entire nucleotide sequence that is necessary for the synthesis of a fundamental gene product. Okay, this operon concept in SEM 4th BSc BJC second year zoology. BSc BJC second year zoology semester 4, this topic lock operon. So this introduction is gene in molecular term, gene commonly defined as either nucleotide sequence that is necessary for the synthesis of a fundamental gene product. Okay, this is fundamental. For example, this is a gene and it come to chromosome, and we observe cell in genome. This is called genome. Okay. Next, how a gene express. For this diagram, how it express DNA to form mRNA by transcription after protein is formation is a translation is a central dogma for gene expression. Important how it expected gene expression is central dogma. Okay, this diagram will be observed transcription process. Next, need of gene regulation through the genes expressed to specify a particular character's regulation of gene action is inevitable. If it's not regulated, the unwanted biological product RNA or protein produce unnecessarily that cause the waste of energy and it may affect over useful cellular activities. So gene regulation is essential. Okay, the diagram we observe gene regulation. Okay, for example, this operator and active repressor, and then it block and inducer to use this active receptor plus inducer to free attach, and this form to okay mRNA. Next reception, for example in inactivate receptor and it free and form mRNA. For example, it form for example inactivated repressor protein. Here also active repressor protein and it blocked when it operan, and induce also used and it formed mRNA in induction, and repression like this inactive repressor form to free and core repressor form to black. Okay, this is important for gene regulation. Okay, this gene organization in prokaryote, we observe only prokaryote the operon composite, not a eukaryote. Gene organization in prokaryote the operon, unlike eukaryote, in prokaryote the gene or organize it into operon. Okay, first it observed to 3' to 5' stand is template DNA stand. Okay, 3' to 5' stand is template DNA stand. First one regulatory gene is green part is regulatory gene, and yellow is a promoter, another just light green is a operator. Next 1 2 3 4 these are structural gene XYZ or form to structural gene is called operon. Operon means promoter, operator, structural genes are called operon. Okay, these were regular gene is commonly, so it form to 3' to 5'. Okay, next operon is an coordinated group of gene which are all transcribed together and regulate a metabolic pathway as a unit. Okay, this metabolic, first one is promoter of regulator genes. Regulator genes code for repressor proteins. Next this promoter for structural genes. Operator is simply say O, and this ZYA. ZYA is the structural genes. This regulator sequencer, first one is promoter for regulator gene codes for receptor proteins, promoter for structural genes, and this operator genes. Okay, example. Next, ZYA is the structural genes. First one, regulatory sequence and structural genes. First one, Z stands for here. Structural genes is beta galactosidase, important. Z for beta galactosidase, Y for beta galactoside permease, and A is the beta galactoside transacetylase. How it easily A for acetylase, so it transfer. So transacetylase is the A structural gene. Y is the beta galactoside permease. Here beta galactosidase, beta galactoside permease, not sidase, not a side. Permease important for structural gene, but this function they. Okay, working mechanism of an operon. How it work? First one, regulator gene, and it form to it DNA polymerase promoter, and it first okay. What's the different this different of the this 3 prime to 5 prime we observe. Same, first we observe lock operon. This how it attached. First is a regulator gene, transcription, translation, and repressor we observe. Regulator gene, transcription, translation, and repressor we observe. Repressor attached to operator to blanked. Okay, movement blanked. Okay, this is important. Why? Because the promoter region is RNA polymerase enzyme to form a mRNA, so it blanked. So okay, next diagram we observe regulatory gene, transcription, translation, and repressor. Like we observe with this repressor protein or inducer important. Here not upper diagram is not used to inducer. Example, allolactose are inducer to fix to receptor, so inactivated repressor. Okay, it inactivated, then it form to transcription process to form a mRNA, so it inactivated repressor. So first diagram we observe repressor attached to operator, so it black to form the transcription of mRNA. Next, so Jacob and Monod in 1961, while studying catabolism of lactose in E. coli, Escherichia coli, suggested that the action of most genes is regulated at transcription level by induction and repression. Very important. Induction and repression is important for E. coli bacteria. Okay, taking the example, okay, for example, induction synthesis of enzyme takes place in response to appearance to specific substance in the media. The phenomenon of the induction can be explained by Taking the example of working of lactose. Lactose cola is formed to lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide to form to monosaccharide like glucose and galactose. Okay, to monosaccharide. Lactose operon. Lac operon is a cluster of gene which control enzyme production needed for catabolism of lactose. First one, promoter for regulatory gene, first one. Next promoter gene, next operator, structural gene already we know it, is called lock operon is regulated gene, and structural gene called lock operon, and beta galactoside permease, and beta galactoside transacetylase is the structural gene. So we observe it beta galactosidase linkage. Lactose is the disaccharide to form a galactose and glucose. So it encoded by the log Z gene, important, encoded by the log Z. Z means we know it galactosidase. So it break to galactosidase. It's a log Z gene. Okay. For form 2 monosaccharide is one is galactose and glucose. Okay. Next, working of lock operon in lock operon concept is important for working to lock operon to two mechanisms, negative and positive. Okay, having described the operon, lock operon is the first one. Switch off gene expression. Switch off gene expression. First one, regulator gene active repressor. Active repressor, when the repressor bind to the operator, transcription is prevented. Transcription is prevented. First one, it attached to active repressor to operator. So switch off gene expression is important. These are control DNA protein. This okay, this important. Okay, next gene switch on. When it switch on, okay, DNA and repressor protein it blocked to attached operon, then it locks Z beta galactose, means beta galactose sidase enzyme is formed to mRNA formed to it protein chain to form. Okay, this switch on. Okay, positive or allosteric regulation. Okay, positive, 1 minute, positive or allosteric regulation. Positive. Lock operon. Lactose, here used to lactose and glucose and lock and gluc, both are similar. Okay. Please check this culture media. This lactose and glucose and lock and glucose similar. Okay, this positive control DNA activator protein interaction cause switch of operon, and this another diagram is switch off and switch on operon we observe. Not the lactose, but allolactose is the actual inducer. Okay, beta galactose, beta glucose is for formation is the lactose. Okay, we observe lactose to form beta galactose plus beta glucose. In which enzyme we observe which bond is break is beta galactosidase bond is formation in. Okay, next is the allolactose. Allolactose is the 1,6 allolactose is we observe. Okay, this okay, it can be the explained by taking work tryptophan operon. Okay, tryptophan is the essential amino acid which is required synthesis of protein of bacteria cell. Okay, yes, okay, thank you, and continue for next time.